Good afternoon from the National Weather Service office in Gaylord. Welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Tuesday, June the 4th, 2013. Not a whole lot to talk about over the next couple of days. You do have some chances of some late rain or sprinkles, but from a hazardous weather perspective, nothing major is on the horizon for the upper Great Lakes region. Here's this afternoon's weather map. We find high pressure ridging into the Great Lakes from the north, and there is a couple disturbances upstream that have been producing some light rain showers across parts of the upper Midwest and Wisconsin today. And those areas of light rain and sprinkles will slowly work their way eastward into northern Michigan later on tonight and into the day on Wednesday, but not a whole lot of precipitation is expected. The area of low pressure we see on this map over the Dakotas will be weakening as it drops southeast into the Ohio Valley, and eventually that area of high pressure over Canada will move into Quebec and will be ridging back eastward into the upper Great Lakes region, and that is expected to keep us mostly dry heading into the weekend. Here's the forecast weather map for Wednesday evening. We see area of low pressure has now moved into southwest Wisconsin, and there is some rain depicted ahead of that, mainly across parts of Wisconsin and the UP. And as the area of low pressure continues to sink south and weaken, that area of rainfall upstream will gradually fall apart. So not a whole lot of precipitation is anticipated across northern Michigan through the remainder of the week. Here by Thursday evening, we see low pressure now located over the Ohio Valley, and the area of high pressure, as I mentioned earlier, coming from eastern Canada and extending westward across Lake Superior into the upper Midwest. And that is going to pretty much control our weather heading into the weekend. We'll keep mainly cool east-northeast flow into the region, so temperatures will probably remain below normal through the rest of the week. But most of the precipitation will be occurring south and east of Michigan. Here's the 3-day rainfall forecast that runs from tonight through Friday afternoon. We see that most of the precipitation forecast is forecast across parts of western lower Michigan with lighter amounts as you head farther to the east. And again, most of that precipitation will fall from later tonight into through Wednesday and into Wednesday night before things begin to taper off on Thursday. But again, from a hazardous perspective, no real significant issues are anticipated through the weekend. The clouds moving in tonight will put an end to any frost development, although temperatures are expected to remain below normal through the rest of the week. No significant thunderstorm activity or anything like that is forecast into the weekend. That concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. Thank you for listening in. The next update is expected around 5 a.m. Wednesday morning.